Okay, I have a prediction to make today. I predict that in our battle of the boxes, I think Ipsy Glam Bag is going to win. And that is based off of not even opening these yet. I have not dove into either one of them. But I just have a funny feeling this is going to be Ipsy's month. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to the channel today where we do all sorts of unboxings, including Battle of the Boxes. Today we are going to be taking on the classic Ipsy Glam Bag for February 2024 versus the Macy's Beauty Box for February 2024. You would think I'd be able to get through this intro after I've done it for months and months at a time. If you're interested in purchasing either of these beauty subscription boxes, I will be posting links down below for you guys. Both of them are relatively similar on paper in terms of price point and what you are receiving. However, every single month when we do these head-to-head battles, honestly, it's exciting because they really do kind of fight back and forth a little bit. Like one month one is on top. Sometimes we have these really great battles, and I feel like Ipsy has been stepping it up lately. I don't know about you guys, but with the products I've been seeing, the bags have been like super cute. I've also been enjoying that we've had full-size products in here. Macy's is still consistently good, but I don't see them stepping it up right now. So that's where I'm headed today. My early prediction is Ipsy will be the winner, but we're gonna find out by the end of this video. So per usual, we will start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. The Ipsy Glam Bag is $16 a month. There is free shipping on this bag. You will receive a total of 5 beauty products inside, along with one free bonus item being the Ipsy Glam Bag itself. Now this glam bag will change up every single month, and for February, I mean, how cute is this? It's just gorgeous. I can't say enough good things about the bag this month because I love it through and through. It's so girly, so feminine. I love the black bow, the gold keychain with the heart that says Ipsy on it. You've got the black and gold zipper with this gorgeous baby pink. It is perfection. This is going to be a tough free item to beat. Now, Macy's does send a free item every month as well. I will be curious to see what they send to compete against this. Also included in the Ipsy Glam Bag, I do have a card that lists all of my products out. Personally, I love this. They will also include the prices of all of the items, and you know for sure if you have full-size products or not. So this is one edge that Ipsy has, is you get all of the information printed for you. Macy's is all digital. You have to scan the QR code and then it will give you the information digitally. First item inside of my Ipsy Glam Bag is the item that I chose for this box. So Ipsy will allow you to customize one of the 5 items that you receive in your monthly box. I chose the Wonder Beauty Eye Masks. These eye masks are my all-time favorite. So it wasn't even a competition. I saw it and I knew these are the ones that I always use. I literally have a stack of these gold eye masks in my bathroom that are always ready to go whenever I need them. So this it wasn't even a fair fight. I saw it and I was like, I don't even care about the other ones because I use these. If you were going to purchase the full-size version of this, it would come in at $26 for it. Next item that I have in here is from Ciate London. This is their Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. Okay, I will use this. I do like primers a lot. So it's a sealed tube, but this primer will help to lock in your makeup and keep it in place for the whole day, but it's also going to plump your skin up a little bit. I'm trying to figure out what is in this that's going to plump it. Is it just hyaluronic acid? There is niacinamide in here, but there is silicone. It's just a personal bug of mine. Not everybody has a problem with silicone in their products. It does work well. I should clarify. Silicone does work well in primers at filling pores, smoothing everything out. It also does help to grip your makeup in place. But the downside is silicone attracts everything to grip in place, including dirt. And for myself, it tends to clog my pores more so than it helps. So that's the one reason why I kind of avoid it. But it does have silicone in this product, just keep that in mind. But it's got the niacinamide in here, there's glycerin as well. So I think that's where a lot of this plumping action is going to be coming from. Now it is cruelty-free and it's also PETA certified, which is great. Oh, I got a moisturizer too! I love moisturizers. I mean, we all should. We should all be using moisturizers, but I do really like them. This is from Feel, and it's the probiotic moisturizer. And it says it's going to protect your skin, reduce fine lines, and increase your skin's elasticity. 15 ml of product, or half an ounce. So I do like there's quite a bit here. I should be able to get multiple uses out of this. It is also cruelty-free. I've not tried this one, but this brand makes a lip balm that is amazing. It's not even a balm. I think it's like a lip gloss. And it's super hydrating. It has coconut and vitamin E in it, and it's just, oh, it's great. But I like that product, so in theory, I'm hoping the moisturizer, I mean, it's basically a moisturizer for your lips for the lip balm, so I would think that a moisturizer for your skin would be equally as good. That is total speculation and a very big hunch, but I'm hoping that's how it plays out. I also have a product from Rose Inc. inside of my box, and this is a tinted serum. Now, this one is a true sample at 5 ml of product. It's a hydrating serum that will give you light coverage at helping to refresh your skin and reducing its exposure to any air pollution that you might have outside. So it does have a little bit of color to it. The shade number that I have is 40, and it's a neutral enough color, but as you guys can tell, not a lot of product. Also, it looks like beads. Interesting. So apparently those beads are going to break up into your pigment, and that is how you're going to get that color to come through. So I don't know that this is enough product to really try it out, I'll be honest, especially when you're supposed to put this everywhere to give yourself a little bit of a tint. I feel like this is, you may be able to get one use out of this, maybe two, but honestly, you need more than 2 tries to know if you like a product. So that's disappointing. I wish this was bigger. It does state that it's $49 for the full-size version, so it is a little bit more expensive, but it's just not enough for me. Last item that I have inside of the box has rainbows on it. Don't you love, I just turned into a kid. I'm like, there's rainbows. So this is from Half Caked, and it is their Siesta Key Bronzer. So this is the packaging, and then this is the shade name. Look at the rainbows. I love it. It's just so happy and fun. And then here is our bronzer inside. So definitely sample size again. I think it's a decent colored bronzer. I mean, I think this will work, but you know, it's just okay. Dang it, I was really thinking Ipsy was gonna pull it out, but these last 2 products, now I'm a little bit nervous. But this product, if you were to purchase it, it's $18 for the full-size version. That's the thing. Half Caked is not that expensive of a brand. So, I don't know, like, we couldn't just get the full-size version? I mean, it's only 18 bucks, and believe me, I know it didn't cost $18 to make it. Ipsy didn't buy it for that. So, come on, this thing? Really? So that is everything inside of the Ipsy Glam bag for February. Now, based off of my style quiz, I think this is pretty good. I have moisturizers, primers set very high, so I get that. I love the eye masks, like I said. The bag is so stinking cute. So honestly, I think this is a pretty good Ipsy Glam bag. Moving on to our Macy's Beauty Box. Now, Macy's Beauty Box is also a monthly beauty subscription. This comes in at $15 a month. There's free shipping on it. And you will receive sample beauty products inside of this one. Now, occasionally, Macy's will do a takeover month where everything inside of that box is all from one brand, but it doesn't happen all the time. I would say it's about every 3 months, about 4 times a year, we will see a takeover month. Oh man, I was so wrong. I've barely peeked inside of this box, you guys. Like, I haven't even taken it out, and already I'm like, Macy's one item, but I already know. I don't even know what the theme is. Hold on, before I show you the product, what is our theme? Like, what is happening? Glam goodies for Galentine's. I love it. Galentine's Day. So also included in the Macy's box, you will receive a $5 off coupon to Macy's. You do need to spend a minimum of $20 and then you can take $5 off. It does not work on the subscription box, but they do send this if you want to go shopping online, buy any of these products. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this month. I cannot believe it. I'm gonna go in order here. We're gonna start with the free item before I get to the big money maker over here. So the free item from Macy's this month for February are going to be a set of 2 hair clips. They are pink and red, and they're in heart shapes. These are very in at the moment as well. I've been seeing these all over the place. So this is their free item. So this or the Ipsy Glam bag this month. I'm still gonna go with the Glam bag. I know, call me crazy, but I don't use a lot of hair clips. I always keep my hair down. And I just think the bag is just so cute, but I don't think this is a bad free item. I think honestly, a lot of my viewers would probably choose the clips over the bag. So I do think they're probably a point for each of them. They're both really good. And now let's get to the one where I think this is going to be hands down the winner of the entire showdown today. We have an Elamiz product. And this is their Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. This size is 20 grams or 0.7 ounces that we have here. Now, I know this brand. I love this brand and it's amazing, but it's also expensive. And so already I'm like, this is probably worth the entire box and Macy's bag put together. I mean, this is just amazing that it's in here. It's not full size, but I still feel like there's enough in here to really try it out and see if you like it or not. I mean, can we just agree that's amazing? Oh, what is happening? There's hardly any products here. Maybe this isn't over yet. This is such a roller coaster of a video today. So next item included in the Macy's box is a sample from MAC Cosmetics. This is their Magic Extension Mascara, and it will give you lots of results with this mascara. It is enriched with a crystal elixir that's supposed to amplify your lashes up and to give you lots of volume and lift. Now, I've tried this mascara out before. I do think it's pretty good. I don't know. I don't feel like it's better than some of the other mascaras that I've tried. I'm still really partial to Lancome, but I do think it is a decent brand. I like the sample that's included in here as well. Our next item is from NYX, and this is their Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream, and we have 1.6 mil. I was upset at the 5 mil with Ipsy, and this is 1.6. Here's what this looks like. I mean, this is so tiny. This is really tiny. And this one is supposed to be a lip cream, so let me go ahead and do a quick swatch here to see what this looks like. But it will give you a little bit of pigment. Oh, it's a true matte. I didn't realize it was going to be so matte. Actually, it's kind of chunky. I feel like this is dried out a bit. Like, you really have to work it. I do think the color is nice, but do you see how it's streaky and just... I don't know. This formula feels like it might be toast. Like, just the way that it comes out of the bottle. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or not. It just feels like it may be old. That's what I'm kind of getting from this. Now, I do think it's very thick. It's not a lightweight formula in my opinion. When you put this down, you feel it. It feels like you're applying a cream on. The color is decent, but I just, I don't know. I don't know that I like this just based off of the swatch, but it could be that it's defective. I'm just not sure. Next item is from Smashbox, and this is the liquid lipstick. And I have it in the shade Stepping Out. And this one is also really small, you guys. Beautiful color. I love the color that we have here, but oh my gosh, what is going on with these samples? Like, this is ridiculously small. I feel like you're going to use this up in a few days. So I'll do a swatch of this one. Now, this is definitely not dried out. This is exactly what I would expect from a lip product. Great brand. I mean, Smashbox is amazing. Love the color. It's a great nude. I get it for Valentine's Day. And the last item inside of our Macy's Beauty Box today will be a fragrance sample. So this one is the Jean Paul Gaultier Divine. And I'm not sure on this one. I've never tried this one, but it says, I am a woman, what's more divine is the fragrance on this one. So I love with Macy's that we get these fragrance samples. Usually we get 2 in a month, and I only have 1 in this box. Okay, I have a lot of thoughts on this one, you guys. This did not go at all how I thought it was going to go today. So Macy's is shocking me on a few different levels. One, the LMS balm is so amazing. I can't believe it's even in the box. I am shocked at it. What a great brand. Like, holy bananas, we have LMS in a $15 beauty box. But on the flip side, there are hardly any products inside of this box. Macy's is known for sending 7, 8, 9 products a month inside of their boxes, and I have 5 here. That's it. There's only 5 in the box. Plus the free item, which would make it 6. But it's unusual to have so few of products inside of this box compared to all of the other months. It's also unusual that we only got 1 fragrance sample. So I'm a little surprised. Like, for Macy's, this is... Man, I think it's gotta be that LMS balm though, because it's like on all levels, I feel like they've stepped back except for that LMS balm. It's almost like they knew this product is so much nicer. We don't need to add in any of the extra items. And I think that's kind of what they were banking on. So it's like, okay, does Macy's win February because they have 1 hero product? Or is Ipsy the winner because they're consistent? They send what they always send. They've got, I mean, it was good brands. I felt like they were good items as well. There's more product, obviously, to try because I am questioning this NYX product. The lippies in Macy's are both really small. I don't know. What a tough one this month. Oh my gosh, what a plot twist this month, you guys. Like, I had hedged a bet that Ipsy was going to win this month. I see the LMS product in Macy's and I'm like, great, Macy's already won just with that 1 product. But then when I'm comparing them side by side, I'm literally like, I think it's a draw. I think they are evening out only because I think Macy's hedged their money on 1 product. And I feel like they're lacking by not sticking to what they usually do, not including as much in there. But the value's still good, but the samples are so small. I feel like the NYX product is questionable. Ipsy, though, is slow and steady. this one is really stumping me up this month. So you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think it's a draw between the 2 of them. But if I had to choose, if I set these out of which one I would go with, I'd probably go with Macy's just for that LMS product. But also on a technicality, I'm like, that's not really fair, right? Like, I'm probably overthinking this right now. I'm just like, how is it fair you can send 1 good item and the rest of the box can be lacking and still win? But it's just also a testament to how much I love that brand, and it is a very large sample size. So comment down below, you guys. I'm going to stop jibber jabbering now, and you let me know, who do you think won this month for best beauty box? I think it's a really tough one this month. If you look at everything, it is a tough one. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of the day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!